Cloud Physician has close to a decade of operational experience in India, and when they approached us, they were preparing to enter the US market. This meant that they needed to reposition themselves as a global standard health tech company. There were two parts to the challenge. The first being that we needed to completely reframe the positioning and messaging for a new market. And second being communicating complex technology in a way that felt clear, credible, yet accessible. We came up with certain decisions that would meet these objectives. So, wherever technical terminology needed deeper context or deeper explanation, we included this information icon in places that would, on hover, provide deeper context. And this allowed the user to read more if needed without breaking the overall flow of the page. Second, being content was the hero. In no way could the visual distract, it only had to support. So we just used one main visual device, this sphere, meant to represent the tech. And we used this sphere in different interpretations, in different color gradients throughout the website, so that even from a visual language point of view, there is cohesion. Next is it was not only important to talk about outcomes of the tech or benefits of the tech, it was equally important to talk about how the tech functioned in terms of the backend, where the data come from, how it was processed, how it fed into the overall system, how it would work within the system of the hospital in itself. So we leveraged the simple and commonly used tool of infographics in several places throughout the website in order to communicate this. Because the audience visiting this website were not just doctors and nurses who would actually be using this tech from a day-to-day standpoint, but it was also C-suite, the tech officer, the AI officer, etc. And we needed to cater to that audience as well, which is why it was important to address content from a technical standpoint as well. Next is we needed to show how the tech would apply in real life use case as well. And we wanted to do that through annotations used on imagery, which gave a very clear yet simple idea of how the tech actually functions in real life. For example, one of the capabilities of the tech is that it can detect when railings are down for patients in high acuity settings, and it immediately alerts the bedside team. All of these resulted in a website that made complex health tech intuitive, credible, and approachable, all the while positioning Cloud Physician as a confident global player.